Oh gosh, no. So, I may have the very dumbest idea. I have no idea how, but if you live in Arkansas, high S, I'm not gonna say it. There's something in there that's called Duck Tours. Shows you around the city in Arkansas, whatever. And I have a whistle. Yes, they have quackers, I guess you call it. And I got it a little moon ring, but I'm gonna use my quacker. Here's how it sounds. I don't know. What am I doing? And yes, I'm not recording on my live camera. I'm recording on this. So I'm gonna keep that in my mouth. And why on earth do I have this on my? You know what? Just ignore that. So I'm gonna go in there, go to Ghost Reactor, and I don't know, and stuff. Oh, shut up. Let me put this in my mouth. Oh my god. Okay. Oh shoot. I'm gonna go to Ghost Reactor. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go. What the fuck? I just closed that. Okay, I gotta go. I hope if I say I'm gonna do this. Okay, so let's go. So this is what I joined. Hold on, just a bit. Do not touch the or you will firmly determined college is reserved for the ice rejected. Let's go! Okay. Oh no, here's some guys already. Oh, here's some. Oh no, I know where I am. There's one guy says that I get infinite cores. Yes. I don't know why. I just do that. So there is this and this. Oh no! Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no, I hear someone. Ah! Okay. Collector. I really don't know. I don't know. No! Hey! I'm gonna get this as well. I'm smart the fast, so it's some white, I guess. What do you call it? Oh. I got a light. Oh, there is not much. Oh, I know those guys are smart. I know it's fun! Next one is a good fun. Extra funny. I got an extra charge and that's not to a charge. Let's go! No, that's not. This is shoot. It's Windows. Hold on. Hang on a minute. I am drooling right now. Okay. I know. Okay. There is where we go. We just gotta use race. Race mode! Okay.